Auto captions, AI caption from transcription using DaVinci Resolve. So inside DaVinci Resolve, we go down, we drag something down there, then we go up to the top timeline, we click that one, we go to AI tools, create subtitles from audio. After that, then a window comes up. We can change some of the presets if we want. If we don't want to change it, we just create, boom, 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 boom. Then stuff happens. Then we have subtitles to everything. So it just transcribed the audio and then it created subtitles. So it works in different languages. So I use Danish here. So it actually transcribed the entire video and created subtitles in Danish. We can go down here, we can click it, we can change it if there's some mistakes in the transcription. If we want to change how the caption look in the video, we can go up to caption. Then we can change every single part individually by clicking customize caption. And then we go in, we change it. If we just want to change everything. So sometimes we would want like some captions to be big, some to be small, some to be different from the other ones. If we don't want to do that, we can go up, we can click track. When we click track, then we can just auto adjust every single subtitle in the entire video. And then it looks like this. So it's not like CapCut. So CapCut makes like nicer out of the box. You can probably do that with DaVinci Resolve, but it's not as easy because there's not that many templates right here. But that's just how you create subtitles using AI from your audio file. It's pretty easy inside DaVinci Resolve. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. My name is Palle. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.